I'm making chicken Milanese. It is so delicious. It's buttery, golden crusted chicken, and I serve greens, lemon, and Parmesan over the top. It's out of this world. Now, I started with 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I cut them in half down the middle to have 4 thin cutlets, and I've basically just been pounding the heck out of it. I want it to be as thin as I can possibly get it before the chicken starts to tear. I'll put some all-purpose flour in one dish, and then I'll sprinkle in some salt and pepper. This is a really simple breading method. I use it for so many different things. It's really, really versatile. So I'll just whisk that together. Now I've got 3 eggs in a second dish, and I'll just pour in some milk, and I'll whisk this together. And then for the third dish, I've just got good old seasoned breadcrumbs. Just pour those in. The breading is all ready, so I'll sprinkle some salt and pepper on the chicken, the very, very thin chicken. I start by dredging with flour. Just turn it over, shake off the excess. You just want a nice thin layer of flour on both sides. And then quickly dunk it into the egg and milk mixture. You don't want to linger too long in there. And then right into the breadcrumbs, and they are gonna stick on the outside of that chicken. Give it a nice, beautiful crust. All right, I'll scoot that over and I'll get the second one breaded. Chicken Milanese is delicious served hot right out of the skillet, but it makes the perfect picnic food because it's also really portable. You can serve it cold or at room temperature. It really travels well, really elegant. It's perfect for girlfriends. Get all those breadcrumbs on the outside. I don't want any part of the chicken showing through. I've got a big non-stick skillet, and I've been heating some olive oil with some butter, and I'll just put the pieces right in there. The mixture of olive oil and butter will give it such a beautiful flavor and color. Now I'll let those go. It'll take about 3 minutes per side. It is perfectly golden brown, just beautiful. I'll just let it finish cooking about 2 minutes on the second side.